Did you know that Beethoven's greatest music came from his deepest heartbreak? In 1812, Ludwig van Beethoven wrote a passionate love letter to his immortal beloved, a mysterious woman whose identity remains unknown to this day. He poured his heart onto paper, calling her his angel, his all, his very self, but the letter was never sent. As his hearing faded away, so did his hope of finding true love. The woman he adored was likely married to another man. His world grew silent, and his heart grew heavy with loneliness. But here's the incredible part. This crushing heartbreak didn't destroy him. Instead, it transformed into something magnificent. His pain became the Ninth Symphony. His longing became the Moonlight Sonata. His desperation became masterpieces that still make people cry 200 years later. Beethoven turned his worst moments into humanity's greatest gifts. He couldn't hear his own music, but he felt every note in his broken heart. Sometimes our deepest wounds become our greatest strengths. What will you create from your pain?